Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of rational number. This is 6th question of its exercise 9.1. So the question says that which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? So first is minus 7 by 21 and 3 by 9. So 7 से cancel out हो जाएगा 7 1 7, 7 3 21 and 3 3 9. So minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. So these are not equal. So आ जाएगा नहीं not. Second, minus 3 by 5 and minus 12 by 20. So 2 से cancel out हो जाएगा 10 टाइम, 2 से 6 टाइम, then 2 से 5 टाइम, then 2 से 3 टाइम. So minus 3 by 5 and minus 3 by 5. So दोनों equal to है. So ये हो जाएगा yes, these numbers represent the same rational number, this pair. And third, minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. So minus से minus cancel out हो जाएगा. So 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. These are equal to. So yes, this pair represents same rational number. So ये था हमारे पास question number 4th. So 4th में आ जाएगा yes. And second कर लेंगे minus 16 by 20 and 20 by minus 25. So 4 से cancel out हो जाएगा 4 4 जा 16 and 4 5 जा 20. Then 5 4 जा 20, 5 5 जा 25. So minus 4 by 5 and 4 by minus 5. So minus साइन न्यूमरेटर में हो या डिनोमिनेटर में हो, ये दो नंबर सेम है. So इक्वल टू का साइन आएगा. So यहाँ आ जाएगा yes, this pair represents same rational number. Then fifth, 8 by minus 5 and minus 24 by 15. So ये 3 से cancel out हो जाएगा 3 5 जा 15 and 3 8 जा 24. So 8 by minus 5 and minus 8 by 5 is equal to. So yes, it represents same rational number. Then sixth, 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 9. So ये simplify नहीं होगा, ये दोनों equal भी नहीं है, not equal to. So this not represent same rational number. Then seventh, minus 5 by 9 and 5 by minus 9. So minus से minus cancel out हो जाएगा, तो 5 by 9 not equal to 5 by minus 9. So this pair didn't represent same rational number. So first, 6th and 7th did not represent the same rational number. Thank you.